Well, Shasta Speedway just released their upcoming schedule, and Shasta Speedway is a local racetrack near me, literally 10 minutes from the house, and it's an asphalt track, so not really dirt, and that is the track I kind of would like to run a full season at if it was, you know, more reliable to say. But in the past history, car counts have been low. Sucks to see. And some of the races get canceled because fires. They set up fire camps there and whatnot. But they did just release a new schedule, and it's got a lot of races. So perfect idea in my opinion. I don't have an asphalt car, but what I do have is a Nissan Sentra shipbox right here that I was going to turn into a Hornet car and race on dirt, but I figured, you know what? Let's look at this thing today and see if we can get this deal fired up at least maybe, and maybe we'll go race this piece of shit out at Shasta Speedway or something. I think that'd be fun. There's nothing much really to do because the dwarf car, we're just waiting on the motor parts and it's ready to go. So let's look at this deal. This thing has not been open in a while and she's still clean. Look at that. Not bad. Let's pop the hood real quick. Where's the... Don't know what that part... Oh, it's right here. There we go. Oh yeah, let's look at this thing. Holy, she's a little stuck, and I think we... Oh no, that's ash from the bonfire we're burning the other day. So yeah, that's ash from the fire season still, maybe. Let's see if we can get this... Oh! Well, that's a problem. We need a battery in this ship box. We gotta get a battery. So I don't have a battery today. We're gonna have to get a battery tomorrow. So I will, we'll resume the work portion on this pile tomorrow. But today we can open up these spark plugs so we can go get new plugs, a battery, and pull this air box off, because if we're racing, the Hornet class, we're gonna need maximum airflow. So we're gonna take that thing off and go ahead and put, in my opinion, a at least 5 more horsepower air filter on. So we're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver for to get those spark plugs out. This is the in-shop toolbox, so there's always a bunch of crap in here, which it's all organized to me. It might not look that organized. Oh well. A little too pointy. Yeah, there we go. You might be wondering, what have I been up to today? Went to the gym, worked out, rejoined the gym. I want to get, way more fit, stronger for racing, and just look a little better, I guess, because, ladies dig it, or my girlfriend, I should say. But I also finished my sponsor letter for 2022, so gonna get those sent out. Have a couple meetings lined up this week, so hopefully we can get our same partners back on board and get some new folks on the car as well. All right. See if we can do this one-handed. Holy crap. Yeah, we're gonna have to use 2 hands. Let's see if we can prop this up right here. She's a little tight. Holy shit. Oh, there we go. I was gonna go buy some car ramps today because I need some. It'd make life a lot easier to work on crap and stuff, but homeboy decided to bail on me, so that's nice. Holy. Oh, that's not good right there. Yep, we just stripped that. I got this tray I made in ag mechanics in high school, freshman year. Still holds up, pretty bad boy. But let's see if we can... yeah, way better with a wrench. I should have got that in the first place. I don't know why I didn't. But look at that. Everyone loves a good stripped bolt. All right, let's check them out. Looks clean. We need to label those, so let me go get a pen. Good thing there. Let's just go 1. Nice. Number 1. See ya, Jerry. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We're pretty much an NHRA team at this point. Some bit. There we go. Oh. Nicest thing about this motor though is there's so much room to work on it. I worked on my old Mustang motor, which is a V6, and yeah, not the funnest. Look at that old girl. Yeah. Motor runs. Look at that one. That's nice. Come at me in the comments. It's the first time I've ever opened up this motor. Okay. Let's go take a look at what we got here. So these are the plugs that were in there. You can tell they are definitely have lived their life. And I think it's time for some new plugs and a battery. We'll get that put in there tomorrow. All right. 2 days later, we got the battery. Spark plugs, little anti-seize, cheapest ones I could get, mind you, that from O'Reilly's. Yeah, so also, I don't want to make a video on it right now, but you can see the whole dash is out of the MR2 right now. I'm completely redoing the dash, and that's painting the trim, and I don't know about this. This part has got cracks in it, like you can see right there. I don't know what to do, but anyways, we're not going to focus on that right now. Let's go put the new battery and plugs in the car and see if she rips. All right, we got the battery in, the plugs in. Last little thing, check over, make sure we got all this crap plugged in. That can go there, plug. Oh, that's not plugged in. Make sure we check all these. There we go, heard the click, and everything looks to be in order just like we took it apart. Let's see if she turns over, boys and girls. It's been so long since I've tried to crank this thing over or see if it runs, so let's see. Oh, we got power. Oh. She sounds rough. The dogs are pissed about it. Engine service soon, that's not good. Let's see. See if we can get her to start in neutral, maybe. Oh, something does not sound good there. We are amiss somewhere. Let me try one more time. One more time. Give her some juice here. Yep, that ain't good, boys and girls. Well, that's gonna do it for this one. The deal won't start. We're gonna have to dig a little bit deeper into it in the next video. I got no idea why it won't. Maybe we can go spray some fuel in there and see if it's a fueling issue, but I believe it's gotta be something along those lines because, you know, we changed the battery, the plugs and everything, but cranks over, it just won't start. But with that said, my name's Ben Gooch, and just because it's a shitbox don't mean it ain't fast. I'll see you guys all later at the Factory SBR YouTube channel.